Good morning class. As you all know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 2.1. Today we will start our exercise 2.2. In the exercise 2.2, what we have to learn about expanded form of the decimal number. Expanded form of the decimal number. In this exercise we will learn how can we convert a given decimal number into expanded form. For this, let us take an example. If you have a number like this 47326, okay, if you have a decimal number like this and you have to convert into expanded form. So to convert this number into expanded form, firstly what we have to do, firstly we have to write the equality sign, and then we have to write the digit of this number which is on the first position from left side. So this is the right side of number and this is the left side. So what we have to do, we have to write firstly the digit which is on the first number from the left side, and that is the left side, and the first digit is 4. Okay, then we have to count the number of places after this 4. There are how many places? 1 2 3 4. After counting these places, we have to put the number of 0 as these places after this 4. So how many places are there? 4 places. So we have to put 40 after this 4. Okay, then we have to write the plus sign, and then we have to write here the next digit, that is 7, and again in the same manner we have to count the number of places after 7, that is 3, and we have to put 30 after 7. Then again we have to put the sign of addition, and then the next digit, that is 3, and after 3 how many places we have? 2. So here we have to write 20. Then the next digit is 2, and after 2 we have only one place, so we have to put only 10, and then simply the sign of addition and 6. After 6 we do not have to put any 0 because there is no digit after 6 in this number. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this decimal number. Okay, but in case of exponential form, how can we represent this number? So from expanded form we have to represent this into exponential form. From this expanded form, how can we represent the number into exponential form? To represent this number into exponential form, what we have to do, we have to again put the sign of equality, and we have to put the same digit as it is. Just we have to count the number of 0 1 2 3 4 and raise to the power 10 as the number of 0 we have. We have to put the same digit and multiply the sign, and we have to raise the power, or we can say we have to raise the exponent to the base 10 as the number of 0 we have after the digit. Okay, for example, here we have 4 zeros after the digit, so we have to put digit as it is and then multiply by 10 raised to the power 4 because there are 4 zeros, plus 7 multiply by 10 raised to the power 3 because in this we have number of 0 is equal to 3, plus 3 raised to the power 3 multiply by 10 raised to the power 2, and plus 2 multiply by 10 raised to the power 1, and plus 6 multiply by 10 raised to the power 0, because beta 6 can be written as 6 multiplied by 1, and we know that 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the exponential form of the decimal number, and this is the expanded form of decimal number. So these are the two forms in which we can convert a given decimal number. Okay, now we will take another form of number, and that is scientific notation. So beta, this is scientific notation. In case of scientific notation, we have to represent a number in the form as like this: a multiplied by 10 raised to the power n any number. This is the scientific representation of a given decimal number. Okay, we use this scientific notation to represent the larger or smaller number. For example, if we have to represent a given number into scientific notation, then what we have to do? Let us take an example. If you have a number like this 473 up to so on, ठीक है? Okay बेटा, and then you have to represent this number into scientific notation. To represent this number into scientific notation, firstly start the counting of the places from the right side. This is right side and this is left, so we have to start the counting from right side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we have to count up to the known zero integer. We have to count up to the known zero integer. Here 3 is the known zero integer na beta, and how many zeros are there? 9. Then we have to check beta how many places are there. How many places are there? 3 places are there. After counting the number of 0, what we have to check? We have to check how many places we have left. 3 places. Then what we have to do? We have to write the left one digit here, that is 4, and put the decimal after the left one digit, and then we have to write the remaining known 0 digit, that is 7 and 3. Okay, and then we have to write multiplication sign. How many zeros are there? 9. And after decimal how many places are there? 2. Then add this 2 into the 9. Add this 2 into the 9. Okay, so what will become? 11. Then put this 11 as the exponent of 10. So this is the scientific notation of this given decimal number, 4.73 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. This is the scientific notation. Here a is 4.73 and n is 11 beta. This is same like this representation na. So this is the scientific notation of a given decimal number. Okay, clear? So we have to solve the exercise 2.2 on the basis of expanded form, exponential form and scientific notation. Now we will move on the question number first. Now this is your question number first. So in the question number first, what you have to do? You have to convert the given exponential form into expanded form beta. Okay, so to convert the given exponential form into expanded form, what we have to do? We have to write the number of 0 after the given digit as we have the exponent of the base 10 in the exponential form. Okay, so look at the solution of A part. In the A part, we have given 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8. So in place of 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8, what we have to write? We have to write 3, and after 3 we have to write 8 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the representation in decimal of 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. And the next one digit is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. You have to put the sign of addition as it is, and you have to write 5, and after 5 how many zeros you have to write? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And again the next digit is given here is beta 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4. You have to write addition sign and then 4, and how many zero you have to put after 4 as the exponent given, and exponent is 4. So 1 2 3 4. Again what you have to do, 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, and this is equal to plus 9, 1 2 3 zeros. After this, the next is 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2. So 6 0 0. After this what we have? We have 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1. So this is equal to 1 0 plus what is given? 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, and we know that 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is simply equal to 2. So this is the expanded form of given exponential form. Remaining part of this question are same as like this. Try to do them by yourself. We will move on the next question. So the next question is second question. In the second question, what you have to do? You have to write the given number into the expanded form. Okay beta, here we have given the decimal number and we have to convert the decimal number into expanded form. So to do the second question, let us take A part. So the A part is 16182004. Okay beta. So to represent this number into expanded form, what we have to do? We have to write the left one digit firstly. So the left one digit is 1, and how many zeros we have to put after 1? As much the places after this 1 is given in the given decimal number. So how many places are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many 0 we have to put? We have to put 7 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay beta. Then addition sign and then 6, and count the number of places after 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to put 6 zeros after 6. And the next one is 1. After writing this digit, we have to count the number of places given after this number. So the number of places is A 1 2 3 4 5. Write the 5 0 after this. Again 8, there are 4 places after 8, so we have to write 4 0. After 2, 3 places are, so we have to write 2 0. Next digit is 0, so we need not to write the 0 digit, because 0 multiplied by something is equal to 0. So directly we have to write the last one digit, and that is 4. After 4 there is no place, so we have not to write here any 0 after 4. So this is the expanded form of given decimal number. Clear beta? So remaining question of this second question are same like first beta. Try to do them by yourself. We will move on the third question. So the third question is express the following larger number into the scientific notation. Now we have to represent the given numbers into scientific notation beta. How can we represent the number into scientific notation? Look at here. A part 328000. Okay, this is the number. Firstly we have to count the number of 0 given in the given number, and that is 1 2 and 3. How many zeros are there? 3. Then we have to write the left one digit, and that is 3, and then we have to put the decimal point, and we have to write the remaining non-zero digit, and the remaining non-zero digit are 2 and 8. How many non-zero digit are there? 2. Then we have to add 2 into the number of 0. We have to add given number of non-zero digit after decimal point into the number of 0. So this addition will become equal to 5. Okay, then we have to multiply base 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, this is the scientific representation of the given number. Okay, this is the way by which you can represent any given number into scientific notation. Or simply, if you have to represent a number beta into the scientific notation, simply what you have to do, look at here in the next example. In the D part beta, 5008121 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is your D part beta. Okay, to represent this number into scientific notation, the simple method is just write the first left one digit here. Okay, and put the decimal sign. After that, look at there, is there any known zero digit or not? In this example, we have 8 1 2 as the known zero digit. So write the number of places up to the known zero digit, and that is 0 0 8 1 2. Okay, after writing like this, put the sign of multiplication and raise to the 10 power as the remaining digit are there. Okay, these, how many are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 10 raised to the power 14. Okay, after decimal we have to write up to the known zero digit, okay, and then we have to put the power, or we can say that 10 raised to the exponent as the many digit given in the number minus 1, because there are total 15 digit and we have to raise power 14. This is the another way by which you can represent a given decimal number into scientific notation. Okay beta, today we will do up to third question. Okay, try to do the remaining part of third question by yourself. If there is any problem in this exercise, we will take that problem into the live class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.